Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Teachable for affiliate content and commissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with setting up Teachable for affiliate content and commissions, first, create your Teachable account. Visit the Teachable website and click on the Get Started for Free button. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a secure password, and click Create Account. After verifying your email, log in to your Teachable dashboard. Next, click on School Settings in the lower left corner of the dashboard. Under the General tab, set up your school name and fill in other essential information. Now, click on Integrations to set up your payment processors, like PayPal or Stripe. Follow the prompts to connect your preferred payment gateways. Once payment integration is complete, navigate to Products on the dashboard. Click New Product to create a new course or digital product to promote. Fill in the course details, including the title, description, and any multimedia content. After creating your course, go to the Affiliate section in the settings. Enable the affiliate program by toggling the switch to on. Next, set your commission rates for affiliates based on your preferences. You can offer a percentage or a fixed amount for each sale made through an affiliate link. Now, create an affiliate registration page to invite potential affiliates. Customize this page with relevant information about your affiliate program and its benefits. Once your registration page is ready, share it with your audience or partners. After affiliates sign up, you can approve or deny their requests from the affiliate dashboard. Once approved, affiliates will receive their unique tracking links. Encourage your affiliates to promote your course through these links. Monitor affiliate performance through detailed analytics available in the affiliate dashboard. You can track sales and commissions in real time to keep tabs on your program's success. Finally, maintain communication with your affiliates, providing them with resources and support. This will help maximize their promotional efforts and drive more sales for your Teachable content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.